Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 5 of our What's New in .NET 8 and C# 12 series. In today's video, we will explore default lambda parameters, one of the new features introduced in C# 12. If you want to learn .NET Core from scratch, you can check out our dedicated playlist. I will share the link in the description. So, as per Microsoft, you can now define default values for parameters on lambda expression. The syntax and rules are the same as adding default values for arguments to any method or local function. Let's go to Visual Studio, and I already created a console application in .NET 7. Let's take a super simple example. So type var increment by is equal to within bracket int source comma int increment such that source plus increment. Then console.writeLine increment by 5, 1. So this will print 6, but what if I want to set their default value of increment so that if end user don't want to pass value of this parameter and want to use the default values, they can use that. I know it's not a very good example. I just copied from Microsoft site. So let's carry on with this. As I'm using .NET 7, and if I try to set default value of increment to 1, then it will give error. And the error is feature lambda optional parameters is not available in C# 11. Please use language version 12.0 or greater. So let me quickly change the target framework from .NET 7 to .NET 8. And you can see the error is gone. Now, if I don't want to pass the value of increment, it will work. Let me remove second parameter. Let's just copy and paste console statement just to make this video big enough so that it doesn't feel like we are watching a YouTube shorts. And let's say parameter be 5 and 5. And let's run the program. The first one will print 6 and the second one will print 10. Simple, extremely simple. Nothing much to demo with this feature. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked our content. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.